अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज हम आए हैं कैफ़े अल जदून बारबेक्यू क्लिफ्टन ब्लॉक 1 में। और देखें माशाल्लाह क्या ज़बरदस्त माहौल है। और यहाँ पर फ्रेश चिकन कढ़ाई, मीट कढ़ाई, मटन कढ़ाई बन रही है इंशाल्लाह। ये देखें हम दोस्त आए हैं सारे यूट्यूब बारबेक्यू अल जदून पे। देखिए काफ़ी बिजी है आज माशाल्लाह। अभी हम इंशाल्लाह ऑर्डर देंगे। और देख सकते हैं चिकन कढ़ाई बन रही है माशाल्लाह। So they're making chicken kadai, meat kadai, mutton kadai. There's quite a lot of people here tonight. So viewers, you can see these are prawns, king prawns. Mashallah, big size. ये कौन सी मछली है? हाँ? Good fish. Gisser. This is gisser. Dandia. Red sniper, guys, fresh. And you can see daughter. You can see they're all fresh.
White salmon.
White?
Salmon.
White salmon, mashallah. I've seen jiga bataya. King prawn. Mashallah. So guys, he's cleaning the fish. Gisser. Red sniper. So we're gonna grill this fish, okay? Yeah, so he's specially making this for me, guys. ये मेरे लिए बन रहा है माशाल्लाह। Guys, he's making chapli kebab, traditional Peshawari chapli kebab. So this is original Peshawari chapli kebab. So he's mixing all the ingredients, spices, the green chilies, tomatoes. This is original Peshawari chapli kebab. Mashallah. So the kebab is ready, guys. So guys, this is original chapli kebab. You can see it looks so nice and delicious, mashallah. So we're gonna enjoy this, inshallah. Okay, guys. So this guy is my fish. And he's preparing. He's gonna put some spices on it. We're not gonna use too much, but a few. So he's putting salt on. Salt. We're not gonna use too much spices, just few spices. This is salt. ये क्या है? This is the spices, masala. So we're gonna grill it. We're gonna grill this. So this is ready for grill, guys. इसको थोड़ा देर छोड़ो बात सुनो. So guys, you see now, he's making some more fresh for people. Guys, we've ordered some king prawns as well. We're gonna grill them as well. So he's cleaning the king prawns. So he's taking the nerves out from the middle. You see that, guys? So guys, this is ready mutton kadai. Okay, it's nearly ready. Mutton kadai is ready. Chicken boneless. This is the chicken kadai ready. And the one, and this is white chicken kadai. Okay, and this is the normal chicken kadai. Mashallah. So guys, we're gonna grill the fish now. So guys, he's grilling the fish and prawns. We're gonna grill the prawns as well, inshallah. So mashallah, the fish is nearly ready. Probably another few minutes. He's gonna fry some chilies, guys, with the spices on. With spices. This is gonna go with grilled fish. So guys, this is the chili. Right, so this is the way he's done it. Can you see? The fish is ready, mashallah. Fish is ready. Can you see, guys? Grilled fish. It looks amazing, guys. Mashallah. It looks really nice. Have a few green chilies with it. Lemon. So mashallah. And this is the other one, guys. So, mashallah, the grilled fish is ready. Now we're gonna have it with the chapatis or that. And this is the king prawns. It's nearly ready, guys. So, mashallah, the king prawns is nearly ready. So I'm gonna show you the final touch for the king prawn, inshallah. Guys, king prawns ready as well. So we're gonna have these as well. So king prawn. You see, guys, it's really hot. King prawns. Barbecue king prawns, mashallah. So guys, this is fish, prawn fish, grilled fish, prawns, mutton kadai, and we're gonna have it with chapatis, inshallah. So let's enjoy this, and we will see you inshallah in the next video. Allah Hafiz.